Hey, my name is Rania and I'm here from Socialize That, and today we're going to be talking about how you can use your marketing message to attract the right audience, convert them, and keep them with you on the long run. So by the end of this video, you're going to be able to take this marketing message formula and implement it in all your marketing activities in terms of ads, social media posting, and even offline. You can use the same formula for your marketing message. And in this video, I'm going to give you examples so that you can be able to understand more and visualize what this marketing message will look like. Now, I've been doing this since 2011 and I have an MBA in marketing and I'm a certified digital marketer and I teach digital marketing in university. So with all this experience, I actually picked up the best formula so that you can get people to understand what you're doing very easily without confusing them. Because sometimes when we create marketing messages, we kind of confuse our audience and not really tell them what we do. Now, usually with everything we start off with, we need to know who our client is. So if you're watching this and you're not 100% sure of your ideal customer, there's an ideal customer avatar worksheet in the description box below so that you can be able to do the worksheet and get the results that you need to understand your audience. So the second part of the formula is the problem that you are solving. So your client plus your problem, plus the third thing that we need to cover, which is how you're going to be solving this problem. See, I'm an online marketing coach and I help service-based entrepreneurs, coaches, and future course creators set up, attract, convert, and retain their audience so that they can make more sales without spending all their time on their phone. So for me to solve your problem, I can do it in so many different ways. I can coach you with the website traffic that you need to attract. I can coach you with Facebook ads. I can coach you with email marketing, with influencer marketing, with affiliate marketing, with so many different aspects for you to implement. But if I am not clear on that, me knowing how and what is the solution that I'm going to be providing, you're not really going to be able to understand what is my marketing message. Because if we're leaving any kind of questions that are essential on the table, our customer is not going to understand that they are the perfect customer for us, and they're not going to be reaching out to ask the critical questions that they need to be. So the fourth thing is the transformation that your customer is going to get after they buy your product or service. So when I say transformation, it's basically the result that this person is going to get. Are they going to feel that there's this huge shift in their entire life because of this one thing that you help them get? See, in my online marketing program, you start off with not having the marketing foundations there, not being 100% strategic with your social media and online marketing presence. You're not really doing the right things and you're spending most of your time consuming content and trying to figure it out. Whereas the transformation for you would be you put in the things that need to be put in terms of your marketing foundations. You work on a strategy to implement the marketing objectives that you have, and you start working on sales, because most of the time when you're in the first stage, you're not really working on sales, you're just consuming content. So the transformation you get after the online marketing coaching program is you actually start being strategic with your content online and you start attracting people into your business and creating sales while being very strategic of how you're spending your time online. If we go back to my example of who I help, it's service-based entrepreneurs that are coaches or future course creators. That's the who. So whatever kind of content that I create, if people come back to my page, they're going to see that reflected in my marketing message. And the problem is converting, retaining, and attracting the right audience to your business. And then the solution is through online marketing, through increasing sales, through being more strategic. And the transformation you get is being more strategic and more sales. So that means that I am telling my audience exactly how they're going to go from point A to point B and how I'm going to help them get there. And usually with all my marketing messages, it's not going to be this complex. What's going to happen is I'm going to pick one problem and I'm going to go solution, 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 solution. So my marketing message would be, are you having trouble with attracting the right audience to your business? Or even if you're attracting the right audience, you really don't know how to convert them to buy from you through social media or online marketing. And at the same time, when you do have customers, you really just don't know how to keep them. And you always feel that you're on a hamster wheel trying to figure out how to get the next customer. This is problem. So now you know the problem that you're dealing with. You know that I'm talking about the problem that you're dealing with. Now I give you the solutions. I start giving you solution after solution after solution after solution. And then I talk about the transformation that you're going to get and then tell you how to buy. So that is basically the message that you should be portraying. Now, with your social media content and your online marketing content, you do not necessarily need to go into the details like I just gave you an example. You can just pick one problem and then give solution. And these solutions can be in bullet point format so that your audience can easily consume it and maybe even try it out so that they can see that they're going to get the result with your service or your product and get the results that you need. So to summarize the marketing message clarity formula, clarity of who you're targeting, plus the problem you're solving, plus the solution that you're going to give, plus the transformation is the large marketing message that you have. And this can be applied to all marketing materials that you create. Now make sure you like this video and share it with a friend and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified for next week's video. I'll see you then.